Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you on the best and free VPN for iPhone and iPad. Let's get started. Open Chrome and try to access blocked websites like pubmobile.com or TikTok.com. As these sites are restricted, we can't use them without a VPN. Watch my video to learn how. Go to the App Store and search for a VPN. Scroll until you find the VPN Proxy Unlimited Shield app as demonstrated in the video. It has a 4.5 rating and is a free-to-use app. Download and open the app. It will request permission, just allow it. Click the Connect button and the VPN will automatically connect. Now go to your browser and access blocked websites like PubMobile or TikTok. Voila! These sites are now accessible and the connection is fast. To enhance your experience, open the VPN app and you can change or select a server from a different country. Scroll down to find Unlimited Servers, choose one and connect. When you're not using it, click on Disconnect. It's that easy and fast. For an ad-free version, you can use the free trial. In my experience, the free trial is sufficient, it's fast, and there are unlimited servers, making it a savior for most of us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.